Yeah, makes sense. Do you think that could change when if we see sort of onshoring? Because I guess if we look at it, Germany had quite a big sort of trade surplus. Japan had a big trade surplus. China, and now it could be we could potentially see a shift where it's going back to other countries globally. So do you think that could have a, I guess, a short-term impact, or is it too little,
No,
too late?
no, I think not. I mean, that's the sort of thing that wannabe President Trump was pushing last time. But the reality is, if you chase the numbers through the national accounts, you tend to get a trade deficit as a result of a budget deficit. The two things that are linked. It's called the twin deficit syndrome, if you like. And quite frankly, with the way the budget deficit is going in America, I mean, there's absolutely no way you're going to get you're going to remedy the trade position by telling, I don't know, sort of Apple or whoever, bring your factories back to the US. It's not going to work. It really isn't. All that happens is that, the deficit just goes elsewhere.